Listen, listen. So chatbots are not magic. Okay, let me show you what a chatbot does. So if you really want to understand, this is what also we cover in our AI masterclass, but I will show you what exactly is a bot does, right? So let's say this is a bot. What it does, it has two sides of the story. One side is commonly asked question, and we call it Q&A, question and answer. These are very standard common question, like what is your phone number, what is your location, right? So who are you, what do you provide, these are standard questions. And another set is NLP, natural language processing. You ask, me and my wife want to travel to Paris for 3 days, and we need flight and hotel. I understand this is not a good time to travel to Paris, but let's say you ask this. So the chatbot will understand you and your wife, so it means two people. Paris is the location, is Paris, and you need flight and hotel. Booking is for flight and hotel. And for 3 days, duration is 3 days. So this is how a chatbot understands everything. So for this standard question and answer, the question stays the same, the answer stays the same. So what people does, they just write standard output here. That's why you think that this chatbot knows everything, because somebody has already provided the answers to the question. But this is different. This you have to understand what the person is talking about, and based upon the requirement you will do the necessary stuff. And if you ask personalized question, you will understand that chatbot doesn't understand everything, right? So the question and answer part, yes, everything is understood. Let me try to ask to my Alexa. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? My Alexa is dead. Alexa, what's the temperature right now?
At the moment, it's 17 degrees Celsius. Tonight, you can expect a low of 9 degrees.
Now, listen to me. I'm going to ask a personalized question. Alexa, do I have any email to read out?
Here's something I found on the web. According to justanswer.com,
Did you see?
the US government uses email addresses
Alexa,
ending in
mute. Did you see? Alexa has no idea what I was talking about, because Alexa doesn't have access to my email address. Now Alexa is telling, this is what I found from internet, right? So when you ask personalized question, the chatbot or the virtual assistant doesn't have any idea what you were asking. But when you ask standard question, they know all the answers because somebody has given them the answers. Did it answer your question?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any other question? So what happens, what I just showed you right now, everything is a game of intent and entities, right? So this is the game. This is the game of natural language processing. Can you go on mute, please? Right. So this is the game of NLP, intent and entities. So here, what is my intention? My intention is to book a flight and book a hotel. This is my intention. If I am talking this to a bot, that means that I'm asking the bot to book me a hotel and book me a flight. But what are the entities? These are the entities. Number of people equal to 2. Location equal to Paris. Duration equal to 3 days. Right? So this is the game of intent and entity. If you ask another question, let's say, can you also add 2 bottles of wine to my room? And this is, again, you have to find out the intent, and the intent is order, and you are ordering something. and the entity equal to type equal to wine, number equal to 2. These are the entities. So this is intent and this is entities. So that's how we do our game of NLP. It's a fantastic question. Did it answer your question, Dipsika?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Thank you. Any other question?
Are you ready for your next career move? Do you know 6 out of 10 jobs will be fulfilled by AI and autonomous professionals by 2025? Don't let this pandemic slow you down. Join us now for a virtual AI Masterclass to kickstart your AI career. You will be learning Microsoft Cloud Platform, artificial intelligence, and end-to-end production deployment for any AI use case. Want to know more? Contact us now or send us an email info@euroforce-it.com for more information and discounts. Hurry up!